So, already finished their job.
How about our products and after of service?
Yes, their product Aimix is very good. And now their service is also very good. Now already work done very well. So, congratulations.
How many equipment Aimix the finish of the service
Today.
today?
They finished already for
Units.
Four
4
units.
units of Aimix. So very good, job well done.
And then you will back another one, maybe next month.
It's up to you.
Okay, thank you,
If you want to go back here in the company of PowerCore, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you, sir, both of you. And next time, I hope we'll see again each other.
Okay,
And
thank you.
Any problem we would like to arrange, so we will inform you again.
Okay,
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Hey, thank you.
thank you.
Picture call.